So today we're going to make a Mandalorian helmet. So I printed off a picture and I used a site called Posteriza, and we'll use some carbon paper, and I've got 3 scrap pieces of wood I just glued together, and we're just going to lay our copy paper on it, and then we'll lay our stencil on it and we'll just trace it out. Now we'll take our router and just follow the lines and clean out the big area. Now I've outlined everything with a 1/8 inch router bit. Now we're going to go back with a 1/4 inch router bit and clean out all the inside of these. Now I'm just going to go back and sand these little rough edges off with some sandpaper here. And now we're going to paint black inside the part we routed. And don't worry about getting paint on the outside because we want to sand the top of it off. And now a quick coat of clear enamel. And here's our finished Mandalorian inspired helmet. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.